everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. Today's video is just a quick one on how to use the Tower 5-in-1 digital air fryer to air fry some frozen pork sausages. So this is the pork sausage I'll be using. Is Richmond Irish pork sausage. I got it from Farm Foods, and it's to be cooked from frozen for 20 minutes. So the cooking instruction says you could cook in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, or you could grill it for 20 minutes. So because I'm going to air fry, I like going with the oven instruction. This is one of the racks of the air fryer. I should be able to fit all 8 sausages in one of these. So now I'm going to transfer it into the air fryer. This is my air fryer, so I'm going to transfer the pork sausages to air fry.